around here where we fill flats and pots and containers, we do every size of a container and flat. From a container this big, we fill with a flat filler to a container this small. So all this is done back here. Now we've got our bag of soil hanging from a hoist above the flat filler. Now you can see the flat going through on the belt, feeding it through on the belt. And you can see the soil actually falling down out of the flat filler. And there's a brush in there. We'll go around on the other side. Then they come out the other side. They're all brushed off. They're all completely filled. And we'll fill hundreds of flats a day for our production. Depending on what we're going to do today, we determine what size flat or pot we fill. So these are 1801s they're filling right now. But it's a pretty slick way to do it, and pretty much we do this all the time now until about May 1st.